Alright, we're getting ready to pressurize the aircraft. First thing I'm going to do is pull my cabin dump valve circuit breaker. I got my cabin pressurization controller here. I'm going to set the altitude below field elevation. Have my cabin vertical speed indicator here, and on the inside scale, this indicator is differential pressure. Outside scale is cabin altitude. Alright, I have my engine bleeds on. Alright, we're gonna put it in manual mode so we can control the pressurization. First thing I should see is my vertical speed start to descend. You can see we have about a 2,000 foot a minute descent, and then I should slowly see my differential pressure rising, which we see here. We're at almost 1 psi differential. Our cabin altitude is dropping. To about 2 psi differential. Our cabin altitude's about 1,000 feet below sea level. PSI differential. I pulled back the power. You can see our we're not getting as much bleed air. Our cabin's starting to climb a little bit. Should see our differential pressure decreasing here. I'm going to push in our dump valve circuit breaker, and that should open the emergency dump valve, and our cabin should immediately go into a climb, and we're going to lose all of our differential pressure.